Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable a voice chat on your Roblox mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Roblox application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the Roblox setting. Oh wait, it's still loading. Okay, I'm going to select more option here, and I'm going to scroll down and click on the settings menu. And then we're going to go to the account information. Okay, and here make sure you have verified your age. Okay, I have verified my email address and my age as well. And you need to be more than 13 years old to enable the voice chat on Roblox. Okay, and after that, you're going to go to the privacy and content restriction, still in the setting. Okay, and select this communication. Okay, and select voice chat, and you're going to enable the microphone. Okay, and remember that you need to follow the community standards when you're talking in Roblox. And I'm going to click on enable. Okay, and now my microphone has been enabled, and make sure that you allow Roblox to access your microphone. You need to go to your settings app on your mobile phone, and you're going to go to the apps menu. Okay, and find the Roblox application. Okay, this one, and I'm going to go to the app permission. Make sure that the microphone has been allowed, so Roblox can access your microphone on your mobile phone. Okay, and I'm going to go back to the Roblox, and I'm gonna open up one of the games on Roblox. Wait, I'm going to go back to the home page. Okay guys, and for example, I'm going to join the Dress to Impress. I'm going to visit this game, and I'm going to show you how we can activate the voice chat. And in the game, you will see the microphone icon, and you just need to tap on the microphone icon to activate your microphone so you can talk in the game. Okay guys, and that's all the way to activate a voice chat on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.